We have with us two special guests, Brijesh and Ajit, both joining us for an F&O picture. Brijesh, I'll start with Ajit. What about you? What is your trade on the Nifty? Would you be brave? Would you be brave to go long or short? I'm not even sure where the bravery would be required at this stage.
Yeah, good morning, Samina. Good morning, Agam. So, Samina, if you dissect the move of index, what we are seeing from last 4 weeks for almost a month now, that index has been inching gradually as every passing week, despite all the grinding ways that we are seeing the index inching higher. And at the same time, the broader indices were underperforming. Means we were seeing flattish to negative, slightly negative close. There's a kind of a clear distribution that we are seeing in the markets right now, wherein the small cap is already down by over 10% from the recent highs, while the index has been holding still above the short-term averages. So I feel that there are two different markets to trade. If somebody is looking at the index, I feel that this sideways tone will continue, taking clues from what we are seeing in the other index measures, especially banking. So 46,900 is what we are eyeing in the banking index. We have this weekly expiry also, and as Agam have rightly mentioned, that 47,500 is something that one should keep a close eye on. Above that, we could see bit of a breather, which could help the index to again end on a flat note or maybe marginally positive. So as long as we are holding above 22,150 in the index and the Nifty, I feel that this kind of buy on dips approach will continue to reward the traders with upside capped at 22,500, 600 levels. But at the same time, the broader index is something that clearly shows that one should not look at the index for the overall health of the market. If you have any position in the small cap and mid caps, obviously utilize any rebound and recovery to reduce your position and let them wait for a sign of reversal. That is what we shared in the last interaction as well.
Okay. All right. So in that case, let's talk about, well, based on that, what are our experts recommending in today's day of trade in terms of stock ideas? Ajit, coming to you, what looks interesting to you?
So, Agam, if we see from the index perspective or sector perspective, I feel that FMCG is one such name where we have already seen decent correction, and if you exclude a couple of names like HUL, majority of counters are either trading sideways to positive. And Britannia is one name wherein we have seen decent correction from the recent highs, and it's a kind of a flat formation that we have. And after forming a base around the short-term averages, it looks set for the recovery. So I feel Britannia is one name where the risk to reward is favorable with the target of around 5,060. One can go long with 48.90 being the stop. At the same time, since markets are volatile, I feel that one should maintain position on both sides. And from the metal space, Hindalco is one name which is constantly underperforming. And after the recent attempt of recovery, it has failed, and we feel that it could again retest the previous swing low close to around 500, 504. So one can go short Hindalco with 525 being the stop.
Short call coming in on Hindalco from Ajit and a long one on Britannia. Brijesh, what about you? What are your trading strategies coming in? Brijesh, Ajit, thank you very much for joining us today on the show. With that, we're completely out of time, and it's a wrap on F&O show. Stay tuned to NDTV Profit. There's a lot more programming on the other side.